Hey everyone! I'm Tanya, and I'm a fashion designer. I'm glad to see you on my channel. Take a look at my new dress. This style is often called a shirt dress. First, I imagined it in my head, and then I sketched it on my tablet. The next step was creating the pattern in my design software. And here it is! What do you think? This is how the finished dress is supposed to look. It has a relaxed, loose fit, a collar, pockets, and a button front closure. For this dress, I would recommend fabrics like linen, cotton poplin, cotton twill, and linen blends. These fabrics are breathable and comfortable, so you can wear the dress all day long. Trust me, that makes a big difference. When it comes to sizing, it's pretty simple. This pattern comes in one size. The fit is very loose and relaxed, so it looks great on both slimmer and fuller figures. As you can see, the pattern comes in PDF format. There's a version for A4 paper, a separate version for US letter paper, and an A0 version for large format printing. You can choose whichever option works best for you. Once you've printed the pattern, take a look at the layout guide. It gives you a good overview of how everything fits together. You can also see all the pattern pieces and the total number of pieces you'll need. I think you'll do just fine. Even if you're a beginner, this project shouldn't be too difficult. Here's an example of how you can arrange the pattern pieces to make the most efficient use of your fabric. And of course, you'll get detailed step-by-step instructions that show exactly what to do and in what order. People with sewing experience usually don't read the instructions, but for beginners, they're really helpful. What about you? Do you read sewing instructions or do you just jump right in? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget about seam allowances. They are not included in the pattern, so you'll need to add them yourself before cutting the fabric. As you can see in this example, that's how the seam allowances should be added. Make sure not to skip this step, it's really important. Now let's talk about colors. Personally, I picture this dress in a warm yellow color first of all. But take a look, light blue and bright red look great too. It really depends on your personal style and what colors you enjoy wearing. Green is another color I definitely consider. A fresh, vibrant green feels very summery and instantly puts you in a good mood. And by the way, don't forget to do this after you finish sewing it. That's how you get the right vibe. Because a dress isn't just about the design, it's all about the vibe.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like a charm.
And this is my little assistant. As long as he's well fed, he's always in a good mood. All right, I'd better get going. I still have a couple more dresses to design. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment. I'll bring the new dresses, you bring the support. You'll find the link to the pattern in the description below. Bye for now. See you next time.